Today, I'm going to teach you how to make sure you get your Trello notifications. Whether you're managing team projects or tracking personal tasks, staying informed about updates and changes is crucial for maintaining productivity and keeping everyone on the same page. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Trello account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access all your boards and projects. Next, click on the Boards option to view all your available boards. This section gives you a comprehensive overview of all the projects and workspaces you're involved in. From here, you'll need to open the specific board where you want to set up notifications. For example, if you're working with an HR workboard or any project-specific board, click on it to enter that workspace. Once you're inside your chosen board, take a moment to locate the list where you want members to be notified of activity. This could be a done list, in progress list, or any other list that's critical to your workflow. The key is identifying which lists contain updates that your team needs to stay informed about. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on the three dots next to the list you've selected. This will open a pop-up menu with various options for managing that particular list. Look for the Watch option and toggle it on. This simple action ensures that all members will receive notifications whenever there's any activity on this list, keeping everyone in the loop about important updates and changes. But notifications don't stop at the list level. If you want even more granular control, you can set notifications for specific cards within your lists. To do this, open the individual card that you want to monitor closely. Once the card is open, you'll see the same Watch option available. Toggle this on, and all members will be notified of any activity specifically related to that card, whether it's comments, due date changes, or status updates. This dual-level notification system gives you incredible flexibility in managing your team's communication flow. You can choose to watch entire lists for broad project updates, or focus on specific cards for detailed task monitoring. And there you have it. A comprehensive approach to ensuring you never miss important Trello updates. By strategically setting up notifications at both the list and card levels, you'll maintain perfect visibility into your projects while keeping your team connected and informed. Thanks for watching.